Hello guys, we are playing this with Forever Bestie. Woo! Come on guys, this is no more time. Bacon, come on. Play all the videos. H14.
5-year-old twins died after drowning in a swimming pool inside the subdivision in Barangay Bicol, Bulacan. Sunday afternoon, November 26, 2023. The fatalities are residents of the subdivision. They were rushed to a hospital in Lapu-Lapu City.
Hello everyone, this is your captain. Welcome aboard flight 7699. We're currently flying above sea level. Weather looks good. Yay. What? Okay. Let's explore. Alright, are we in turbulence? Large turbulence. Getting my seatbelts all in once. That means we have to explore. Oh. Oh no. H14. Who? They're going on turbulence. It's a turbulence. Turbulence. Yes.
No.
What? Nothing. I'm so hungry. Hello everyone, we are the crew members. We will delivering delicious sandwiches. Mayo is delicious. Yummy. Huh? I'm not feeling very well. Wait, this is sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo! You found it? I guess I'll go back to my crew seat. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we have reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Alright. Oh, wait. This cute music is shitheads. La 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 la. I cannot see. It appears that we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look, what is that on the right wing?